Hi there, my name is Derek Rush. I'm the parts manager at Porsche Center Calgary, and if you're like everybody else during this COVID season, you're probably looking for things to do, and one of those things is skiing. Big thing here, obviously living in so close to the mountains, and if you have one of these trusty little steeds, you can actually take it with your winter tires if you have them on, and you can actually load up all your skis on top of it. And I'm going to show you a couple of tips and tricks once you purchase the cross rails and the ski rack on how to install it on your 911. So one of the first easiest tools you're going to need for this is your handy dandy Porsche pen. And you can basically go up to the front sunroof portion just above the windshield, and basically Porsche has an ingenious system where the actual connector for the roof rack is hidden inside. Now if you pop this up and you see that you do not have these two silver tabs that rotate up, unfortunately, your car is not equipped and will not be able to put it on, but in this case, this car has them. So what we're going to do is we're going to go around to all four corners using the pen to pop this up, and it's meant to do this, so you're not damaging anything, and it gives you access to the attachment points. Then once you have those up and ready to accept the ski rack, it's always good to grab somebody else in your household if possible to help you put it on, just so that you don't have any damage occurring to your beautiful 911. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the ski rack over, and essentially the extra black portion slips up inside and actually fits inside the upright so that it's not seen. And then the roof rack basically mates up to the silver uprights and then gets sucked into the roof. Yours is all the way in there. Okay, and then we'll grab the back one. Now, if you find that you're putting these on and it's not quite wide enough, there is adjustment on the bottom of these. You undo these two bolts, just loosen them a little bit, and allows for a small amount adjustment so that it'll fit to the width of your particular roof. See how that upright just fits right inside there? And then Porsche supplies you with this tool. And this tool is what you use to screw these in, and they actually mate to that steel attachment and hold it in place very securely. So it's you're not going to have to worry about your skis coming off as you're driving down the road, because they're attached metal to the actual frame of the vehicle. So we'll tighten these up. Go over to the other side and get those done up. Now all Porsche cross rails and ski racks all come with locks on them when you purchase them from Porsche. So it's nice to know that your items are secure on your car and nobody's going to take them from you. So now using the key, I put this in place and lock it. So that way nobody has access to this to take your crossbars. And these same crossbars will accept all sorts of attachments, items for carrying kayaks, items carrying bike racks as well. There you go. So that's what it looks like when it's all on. And then I'm just going to show you a nice little plus with these ski racks. So these ski racks here, you can easily fit 4 pairs on. But what's nice is that when you unlock this and you press the button in order to put your skis in, and you're like, oh, those are way over there. All you have to do is click this, and this whole unit slides out closer to you. So that when you're putting your skis in, you're barely reaching over the car. So any size or stature is able to put those skis on there safely without damaging the car. And then when you're done and the skis are in there, slide it back, put that back into position, and it locks in place, and nobody can get your skis. All right, we're going to show you how to put your skis in. So you unlock each of your ski racks, click this tab over, which unlocks it from the frame, and pull it out towards the sidewalk side. We've installed these so that they open up towards the sidewalk side. That way you're not on traffic when you're trying to get your skis. And then your skis basically are just going to go right into here. And because they've slid out, you can get them all the way to the far side easily without stretching too much. Push them both back into their factory position, unlock the tabs, and close these and lock. And your skis are nice and secure to your car. As well, these roof racks, the channel that they go into, there is a black plastic strip. It comes with 2 full-length strips. I only had to use about 6 inches of the strip. Basically, it covers over whatever existing channeling is there to reduce wind noise, as well as these are airfoil, I believe they're called, and they reduce wind noise as well when you're driving down the road. So this is going to be your quietest version of a ski rack that you're going to be able to get. There is also a 520-liter box that you can buy that you could put on if you ever wanted to put luggage or something like that and use your 911 to move some product. So Derek Rush from Porsche Centre Calgary, thanks for watching and have a safe winter.